I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, I am excited to take you on a walking tour of one of the most beautiful beaches in Portugal, Praia do Vau. Trust me, this place is a must-visit for all beach lovers out there. So, get ready to witness the mesmerizing beauty of this stunning location as we walk along its sandy shores. Before we begin, don't forget to click that like button if you're as excited as I am about exploring this beautiful destination.
If you want to see the hottest video of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Located in the heart of the Algarve region, Praia do Vau is known for its clear blue waters, soft skin, and picturesque rock formations. This stunning beach is a perfect place to relax and unwind while soaking up the warm sun and enjoying the refreshing sea breeze. As we start our walking tour, you will see a long stretch of golden sand with crystal clear water gently lapping at the shore. The beach is surrounded by impressive sandstone cliffs that add to the beauty of this place. We will walk along the beach and explore the rock formations, caves, and small coves that make Praia do Vau unique. You will be amazed by the sheer beauty of the rock formations, some of which are more than 100 meters high, towering above the beach. As we end our walking tour, I hope you enjoyed witnessing the natural beauty of Praia do Vau. Don't forget to write a comment below and let me know what you think about this stunning location. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other travel content. Until next time, happy travels!
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!